Ladies and gentlemen.
Yo, what is up mga kaborji? For today's video mga kaborji, I'm thinking of giving some Gcash. Also in the Philippines. Kaya wala may Gcash diri sa kawan. USA. And why I'm doing this because next week, August 21st is my birthday. No? And wala lang. Maybe pahalipay for those yung mga followers natin and subscribers sa atong social media. So, yun mga kaborji. So, yung mechanics is isusulat ko dun sa post ko social media in my YouTube channel and Facebook page and or Facebook, no? So, dun isusulat ko yung mechanics. Or if you're still watching this video, so yung mechanics mga kaborji, simple lang. Make sure you follow my Facebook page or YouTube channel. So, ipopost ko kung ano yung page ko and channel mga kaborji, no? And the link for this video. So, once na-click nyo, either mapupunta kayo sa page ko or sa YouTube channel. No? Either one lang, either or lang. So, once na-open nyo yung link ng video na to mga kaborji, all you need to do is i-follow nyo. All you need to do is follow my page or subscribe my YouTube channel. And the second one is you have to write a comment, any comment, no? You can say happy birthday or anything you want to say, or maybe some likes, or I don't know. It's up to you. And as soon as you nasa comment section na yung name nyo, kukunin ko yung pangalan nyo, tapos i-raffle ko, no? Starting now until sa August 20, maybe midnight, August 20 midnight. Tapos maybe magla-live tayo, or I'm gonna be making a video nga nag-raffle ako, tapos i-post natin kung sino yung mga magiging mananalo ng raffle natin, no? So what's good is that it's not one but 5 followers or subscribers may chance na manalo ng 200 Gcash, no? Each nasa 200 each. So it's not like a big money, but maybe di ba free naman yung mag-subscribe, free yung mag-follow, free and mag-comment, di ba? And then you'll have a chance to get 200 Gcash. So it's not bad, you know? So sa mga followers and subscribers ko sa social medias, thank you so much, no? Thank you so much. And for those hindi pa, please follow my page in my YouTube channel, no? Para mo grow ato ang social media, and then we can make another raffles, or next time. So that's it for today mga kaborji. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe my YouTube channel and Facebook page, no? And good luck.